Okay, so I got a new dipstick for the Duramax. You can see you got two dipsticks here. One is not as straight as the other one. That's the new one. Also, it's quite a bit brighter in color. Reason I got a new one here is this one's getting frayed. You can see that ain't too bad, but here is looking pretty bad. And I don't really want to lose that in the oil pan, so I'm going to replace it here. It wasn't too bad. I can't remember what it is. I'll have links, guys, on where I got it. Got it off Amazon. It is exactly the same length and everything, and it came in this little tiny bag. I thought they screwed up, but once it's curled up, it sure don't look very long. But right here, it's 01 to 06 Duramax, it says. So we'll go get this pushed down in the tube, and I won't have to worry about breaking this one off anymore. Okay guys, so we got the new dipstick. I'm going to drop her down in. Yeah, that one goes in much smoother. The other one was getting hung up from that frayed wire. Much better. So there it is, nice bright yellow. I thought it was kind of generic looking, and I thought the original said oil on it, but the original doesn't, so it's pretty much an exact copy. It's got an O-ring there, seals it up just like the factory one. Same exact length as the factory one, so it should read like the factory one, so pretty happy with that, guys. So if you guys need a dipstick, I'll have the link in the description and the comments. When you use those links that I'm leaving, guys, I do get a small commission. If you click the link and buy something, I get a small commission off that. It doesn't cost you anything to do that, so kind of a win-win situation. That helps me with my projects and everything else that it takes to run a YouTube channel. You know, every little bit helps that I can get, because you know, cameras and memory and you know, my time and everything, it's not cheap. It all adds up. You'd be surprised you know, what it costs to do all that stuff. But anyway, guys, like I said, I appreciate it. You use my links as much as possible. I try to recommend stuff that I've used, stuff that I want to try myself. So I try to recommend good stuff. I try to leave links to good stuff, guys. And yeah, I guess this is kind of a short video, but I wanted to get that out there. And I guess I'll see you guys.